It's recording? Yeah, it's recording. This is me versus, what's your name again?
Farabeo.
And we met on here. I was like, hey, you got Discord? Sure. And here we are. We're talking and dueling. And this is... And I'm back with sub-duels. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the frames. Round 1. Dude! That was the Japanese duel.
Dragoon in one set?
Yep.
Okay. Let's see what we can do here. Activate Fractal.
I don't know what these... Oh, it's Tri-Brigade.
Yes. It sends to grave from deck.
I didn't even read that card, but I will solemn strike it.
Okay. It actually just sends another Tri-Brigade from deck to grave, and from there on you usually start the combo. Okay. I activate Gladiator Proving Ground to search another Glad Beast.
This is a Gladiator, no. I only have one card left. I gotta save my Dragoon Negate for something.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's see what I take here. Second.
Oh.
Atrix. Activate Gladiator Rejection. When another Gladiator beast is summoned from deck, I get to summon another one.
Sounds like you're trying to bait me with my negate.
Maybe, maybe not.
I'll let that pass.
Let that pass.
Yeah.
Let's see then.
I should have probably negated that.
I know some Rescue Rabbit. Activate its effect.
Oh,
it's
if I negate, I won't get the increase.
Correct.
Damn it. Ah, okay. Rescue Rabbit.
Special summon 2 Andals from deck. And Gladiator Rejection triggers now. Special summon another one.
Now I'm going to Dragoon that.
Okay. Oh, another insight. Okay, yes. This was bad for you. Okay, then I will go on to special summon Test Panther and use its effect right away. On summon to search a Gladiator Beast card.
What is that? Gladiator Beast comeback.
It's a revive. It's a Monster Reborn, actually. And I will revive my Andal. Then I'll activate the Andal, shuffle the Andal back, special summon Augustus. Augustus effect trigger on summon, special summon Atrix, Atrix effect, dump. Dump.
Deck or
Augustus.
extra deck? Okay.
Then I will... I think I have to, but it's really dumb.
Dingirsu.
No, I have to Shurak. And this does not target and banish.
Oh, whoa.
And every time beast warrior or winged beast monster is summoned on my field, I get to banish one card with Shurak. But it's not mandatory.
Right. So our first duel, you could have won, but I won because you timed out.
Yes. Time is always bad.
I will set my mirror force. And then my turn. But you don't know what kind of mirror force. Oh, look at this.
Red as Wyvern. Ah, okay, yes.
Red ass black dragon. Put him in defense.
Yes, for sure in defense. Okay. Let's see what we can do here. Maybe I'll normal summon Fractal. Normal summon Fractal. Any
Crackdown.
response? Oh, Manhunt.
Get over
Manhunt
here.
is fine. Manhunt is fine. Its effects are negated, right? Yes.
Yeah, I think
Okay.
I can attack.
Then I'll activate Monster Reborn to get back the Augustus. Then I will activate Fractal effect. Get Link Summon free. Then I will do them. Okay, I will go to battle phase. Attack this one. Red Eyes. Then we'll attack. Then I will trigger my Vespasius in hand.
Are these any of these cards new or?
No, they are really, really old.
Okay.
They're really, really. And then I will go to main 2. At the end of battle phase, I will trigger my Augustus to shuffle it back and to special summon 2
Gladiator beast.
2 monsters.
Oh god.
And this triggers and destroys it. And I will get a search.
Bestiary.
Yes. I will get a search and I will search Test Tiger. No, then main phase 2.
Link 5.
Yes, I know. Just a second.
Oh, there's a beast.
Then I activate. Then I will get Heraklinos. And lastly, I will make the Simorgh link.
What the heck?
Then I will pass turn. Then I will get to special summon the barrier statue.
You're gonna lock me out of the special summon.
Correct.
Oh
Then
no.
I have a spell trap negate.
With
Heraklinos.
okay, what does Tamer do?
The Tamer special summons once per turn, but soft once per turn, Glad Beast monster from the extra deck for free.
And what does the bird do?
The Simorgh, in the end phase, it special summon the winged beast monster.
Okay. Yeah, I think you got me on this one. I had Magicalized Fusion, but Dragoon's in the...
Negate.
Yeah, you can negate, and Dragoon was in the... Or do I? I'll just set my Mirror Force.
Mighty Mirror Force.
It's Magicalized Fusion.
We get special summon Nervo from the deck. Okay.
That's a pretty good synergy with the Tri-Brigade and Gladiator Beast.
Yes, it is. It is definitely is. Going second, it's sometimes really humble, especially if you hit the right card.
Oh, my life points!
But if I can just combo off, it's perfect.
Oh, Heraklinos. You wanted to finish me off.
It's not the biggest guy.
What's your name again? Farabeo?
Yes.
Wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Okay, dude. Thank you for the duel.
Thank you very much. I will check your YouTube channel out.
Awesome. And comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.
Yes.